I'm Professor DeLeon, and this tutorial is to walk you through the reflection papers. You will do reflection papers for several of the units during the semester. While they'll very often be about current topics, they will always have a root in American history. And so one of the things that you'll be doing is following the progress, the chain of events, the cause and effect, and then reflecting on the current state of things and how you feel about them. The reflection paper is meant to be very personal. So, to get started, you will find the reflection papers located in each unit. If you will open up the directions file there, and I will now walk you through the step-by-step directions for what to do. Alright, so first off, you're going to look at the topic. Perhaps the topic is Native American mascots and the debate about the use of these terms. So what you'll do is look through it. You'll look through what the required readings are. You'll think about what you already know. If you already have opinions formed about this topic, you might consider, if you're interested in it, what you expect to learn from it, why you think I assigned it. And you will take some preliminary notes. You will not turn these into me, but you're going to take some notes on your initial thoughts about this topic. Now you're going to come back to these notes, so don't skip this part of the assignment, because it will make your life easier in the long run if you'll do it as directed. Okay, so now you've had some preliminary observations about the topic. All right. The next thing you're going to do is actually read the assigned documents. And when you read the assigned documents, you're going to take notes on two things. We're going to color code these. You're going to color your red list, and the red list is going to be questions you had while reading, and then you're going to have your green list. And your green light list is make a list of things you learned about this topic that you didn't know before. And you will turn those into me. So when you do that, you're going to make sure that you have red, green, with whatever lists that you have for each color coding requirements. Okay, so now you've done some preliminary thought, you've read, you've devised some questions, you've written a list of things that you've learned. Now here's part two. This is the actual reflection essay. You are going to write a two-part essay that starts like this. I used to think blank, but now I think blank. And that's about the topic. Now, this is very important. You are not required to have changed your mind on the topic. If you had initial thoughts and at the end of your reading those are still the same, that is fine. But chances are that one, either your opinion will change, or two, all of the reading that you've been given will help to firm up your original opinion. So that would be your reflection. I used to think, but now I think. Either way, you still have this basis for your essay. Now, if you will go to the actual directions, and when you print that out, page 2 has a frequently asked question form. And there you will find answers to how long should it be, how do I cite, how do I turn it in, what format do I use, and how it's graded. And so that is pretty straightforward information that I will let you read from the actual directions. Now the last part is for the actual submission. To submit this, you will create it in a Word document. You will proof it and make sure it's lovely. And then you're going to turn it into the Blackboard system using the link I provide. And it's a software system called Turnitin. And what Turnitin does is lets you attach your file. It's very easy to figure this out. And I have created another tutorial for that process. But you will attach your file, and then I will grade it within there. So I think that concludes all of the directions. Now I want you to be successful in this course, and so if you have questions, if you will post them to the class questions discussion board, that way I can answer it and the other 99 people in this class can have the benefit of the answer too. And if you need to, you can post your question there anonymously. So don't feel shy if you have a question or if something's just not clicking. That's okay. Just let's get your answer so you can do the best that you can in the course. Now, for the upcoming units, the format does not change. You will make your lists, you will write your reflection essay. So once you understand it, then you'll just proceed through the semester and with full understanding. It's not going to change. Okay, so that's all. I hope you have a great semester, and remember, I am here if you need me. Okay, good luck.